Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma MG2450. I want to show you how to set this printer up with USB cable. So go to the back of the printer, connect the USB cable to the USB port, and it's in. Take the other part of the cable, connect it to the laptop, and you will hear a tune. The next thing to do is you need to go to Canon IJ Setup. Canon IJ Setup, select on it. Then scroll down, select Canon Official Manual. Then select Language. Then select Setup. Select your region. Then type the printer name, or you scroll down, select Pixma MG series, select on it. Then look from the list MG2450 series, select on it. Click Download to start setup, select, and also select Windows, then select Download. Then open the file. Canon IJ Online Master Setup, select Yes. Acquiring information of the latest driver and software, please wait. Canon MG2400 series. Language, then select Next. Processing, please wait. Then select Residence, Europe, select Next. Select the country. Then select Software to install. Then select Next. Licensing agreement, select Yes. Please allow all install wizard process, select Next. So it's downloading. Installing MP drivers. Installing user manual. Installing my printer. Installing my image garden. Installation progress 50%. Installing quick menu. Easy Web Print EX. Printer connection. Print head alignment, then select Execute. Alignment paper. Then take the print out, open the glass scanner, make sure this part start from the top, left side, close the cover, then select copy color or copy black to proceed. The printer will scan the paper. The light will be highlighting. Once it's finished, the light will stop. Then open this and discard the paper. So you select next. Setup complete. Product is now ready to use. Click next. Then you select next. User registration. Then you select next. Extended survey program. Do not agree. Test print. Then you select execute. Test print. Then you select next. Installation complete. Then you select exit. And if you want to scan document, you can go to the quick menu to select quick menu to be able to scan document. Thank you very much indeed.